These look so good. They're trying to make me, because I'm not. I did this in about 35 minutes. Sometimes you want to be right there at the sweet spot. You look good to me, baby. Hey. Ooh. Everything. Hold up. Huh? Come on, somebody. I ain't playing. One pack was just like, I'm not finna, not ignorant. Do I even need to keep, I'll holla at you. Wagwan cousins, it's your girl Mary Kay.
Hi, Mary.
Coming to you with another super slay. Slay beyond slay. Okay? This is an exclusive, so I'm so excited to bring you the details. But first, I gotta show love to my subscriber of the day. Bam! You are the bomb. You are the bomb. Y'all make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already. Go ahead and do it. Join the family. Join the fun. I know some of y'all been thinking about it. Y'all been watching my videos and y'all been like, I'm kind of feeling her. You know what I'm saying? Just go ahead. That's your spirit. See, you got to learn discernment about this hair upon my crown. This hair. You look good to me, baby. Hey, these are the brand spanking new Shop Beauty Depot exclusive Janet Collection Nala Tress Butterfly Locs Slim. Oh gosh. Where do I begin? I don't know. They're dope. They're light. They're very natural. They're distressed. You don't have to go in and distress them more. You don't have to do it, cousin. You don't. Unless you just feeling like distressing that day. You feel me? They look very natural. Wig shine is not mine. They're not shiny. You see? They are really cute. They're not heavy at all. These are 18 inches. And of course, I'm going to have content so you can see how long it is on me. I am 5'3". For those of you who ask in reference to how long it's going to look on yourself. I use 7 full packs. There are 10 locks per pack. So I got 70 locks in my hair. No heaviness, y'all. And for me, that's a biggie. I don't like heavy and tight things on my head. I don't like that. These look so good. What I have is the color 30. All over 30. It's really chocolatey. If you want overall color, not like a ombre type of effect, and you have dark hair like I do, 30 is a great choice for you because it blends so well with dark hair. And it's so chocolatey. Like me. It only makes sense. I'm just saying. I love the way these are distressed. Because there are levels. Sometimes you might want a little bit of distress. Sometimes you want to be ignorant and have a whole lot of duress and distress. Sometimes you want to be right there at the sweet spot. You know what I'm saying? This is the sweet spot. This is like you kind of been out at the club a little bit, but you need to do better. So you getting ready to rededicate your life back to Christ next Sunday. Yeah, that's these right here. You finna get right because you've been a little ignorant. That's these. This is the sweet spot right here. The texture of the hair, the feel of it. Of course, you know that there are no locks more authentic than locks that are growing from your scalp. We know that. But there are things that can be done to make them look as authentic as possible. And Janet Collection really hit the nail on the head with that. Now, I did this in about 35 minutes. I was on my get it girl get it, okay? I have to talk about this loop. When I do crochet braids, the loop has to be a certain way. It's a certain way you gotta hit it. If you want to be on your get it girl get it, the loop has a lot to do with the get it girl get it. People don't know that. This loop is cool. On a scale from 1 to 10, this is probably I say a 7. I have reasons. Okay, so I used 7 packs of hair. 6 of those packs were really easy to use. One pack was just like, I'm not finna do right by you. I'm really not. So quit trying to make me because I'm not. That loop was just like, honey. It just didn't open enough for me to put my 2 fingers in to pull the end through when I'm knotting. It's better to use your fingers to pull the end through the loop than to use the end of the latch hook to pull the end through, because you can stretch the length. Butterfly locks are created very loosely, so you can legit change the length And the distress pattern of the hair, if you're sliding up this lock for that knot and you're pulling along the way, you want a nice open loop so that the lock can glide through it easily without you changing that distress pattern. On that particular pack, I had to like work to get those loops open enough for me to be able to put my 2 fingers in, my forefinger and my thumb, so that I can pull the lock through. The other 6 packs were the loop was a lot more loose, and it really just easily allowed me to, you know, put my finger and my thumb in, pull the lock, bam, go to the next one. I still was able to finish in about 35 minutes. So, and that's just the install, y'all. My braid pattern is one of my favorite illusion braid patterns. It gives you the illusion that you have individuals when we all know that you do not. Yeah, it's about the illusion. It's about the illusion, you know, because I don't have time. I'm not going to sit there and get individuals. I'm telling you now, don't ask me. If I'm doing individuals, you better believe one lock is going to be about this size right here. Huh? Come on, somebody. I ain't playing. But with that being said, full head of crochet, 70 locks, 35 minutes. You know, you can't complain but so much, you know. So I'm not tripping. I'm just letting y'all know because that's my job. You know, I have to inform y'all. So would that deter me from using these? Absolutely not. So that is that. Right now, I just have a pinup sort of thing. This actually happened by accident. This piece was not even over here. This piece was over here chilling. I had this little twist going around, the rest of it coming down, and I was doing something, and upon me doing whatever it is that I was doing, this piece just kind of flopped over here, and I caught it in the mirror, and I said, oh, hold on. Hold up. That was God right there, because I don't know how that piece got over there, but it did. And I sure enough got a little bobby pin, whoop, put it right there to hold this piece. I see, I think I have 2 of these little jewels, one right here and then one off up in the back somewhere. Y'all see it? They somewhere off up and through there. You are able to get the look of butterfly locks, but you don't have to wrap and seal them yourself, you guys. Y'all know this is right up my alley. Easy, protective styles. Oh my gosh. Huge shout out to Shop Beauty Depot for sending me these beauties. Yeah, they be knowing. Folk know what to do. I'm telling you, folk know what to send me, because I am unfiltered and I will tell the truth. And if it's not right, you sure enough gonna have the proof. Yes, this was a wonderful choice. And y'all, I'm loving this color. If y'all can't tell, like, the mirror is in front of me and I'm just like, the color and the distress of it all. It's just perfect. They look so real, so natural. They blend with my 1B hair. I mean, do I even need to keep, you know, do I mean, I could have just stepped on camera and was like, bam, Janet collection, Nala Tress Butterfly Locs, exclusively from Shop Beauty Depot. I'll holla at you. Get your hands on these. You will love them. You will really love these butterfly locks. You can get them exclusively at shopbeautydepot.com. I'm going to have the link in the description box, as well as a coupon code, so that you can get yours for 10% off. Use that coupon code, save you some coins, get your slay on. You definitely want to jump on these winter hair approved. Yes, the color, everything. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get you guys to the demo. It's really easy, y'all. I'm telling you, it's very easy. And in the meantime, in between time, I wish you all peace, love, and light. Bye. To the demo.